morning, everyone, and thank you for coming to the city's dune restorations in partnership with Adopt a Dune and the Youth Environmental Alliance at the Oceania beachfront property. We'd like to thank Lee Gottlieb of the Youth Environmental Alliance for organizing this restoration. We also have a beach cleanup going on out near the pier with North Miami Swallow divers cleaning underwater, as well as another dune restoration taking place at Sampson Oceanfront Park, hosted by Brightview, the city's landscaping liaison. Invasive species, such as scavola, can disrupt the ecosystem of our beach's dunes. It is important that these non-native plants be removed from our beach dunes and replanted with native plants. The city has donated $2,500 to Adopt a Dune organization to assist Oceania with the funding of $6,000 worth of plant material to be planted by volunteers. We'd like to present this check to Lee Gottlieb of the Youth Environmental Alliance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We view this as the first of many stops throughout our city to really continue to restore the integrity of our beaches and really the vitally important replanting which assures the storm surge protection that's so invaluable for our entire coastline and all of our condominiums. So now thank you all for coming out, being a part of this community effort in maintaining the beaches and our nature. Let's get to work.
Hey.